What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Tron, guys. It's absolutely exploded. I posted it in the Discord before it started to absolutely take off. As you can see right here, I posted our bull flag and the breakout target, and it's already smashed through that target. Sometimes I can't make the video before the coin explodes, but I can post the chart pattern in the Discord as it's just starting to break out. So you can join through the Patreon if you want to stay ahead of the game on trades, on investing for crypto. We have over 1,000 members. Price of a coffee, guys. So Tron up 14%. We're sitting at 10 cents. It broke its previous high, and it's currently running into a pretty major level of resistance. So we're sitting at a market cap of 784 billion. 24-hour volume is 2.47 billion, guys. Sign up to crypto.com, the world's fastest crypto growing app, signed with the UFC, and they have their incredible Visa cards, which you can get free Spotify, Netflix, travel incentives. You get $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. All right, guys, so here's Tron on the 1 hour chart. So I had posted our bull flag pattern in the Discord here, and it broke out and it met the target, and I made some juicy gains. I took half my profits at the target, and I took half my profits a little bit higher, and I'm going to throw it up on the screen. I made like 95% on Bybit. Guys, sign up to Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading. They just added Tron. They also have spot trading available. You can receive up to $600 in bonuses just for signing up through my referral. Highly recommended. All right, guys. So you can see here we've absolutely exploded, an insane amount of volume here, and we've exploded past our previous high. So I want to show you guys Tron here on the 4 hour time frame to show you guys this level of resistance that we've just run into here. I'm going to scroll back here. So the level of resistance, let me give it a price target here, is up at about 11 cents, guys. So you can see here support in this area, previous level of resistance, previous level of support, and that's currently where we're hitting some resistance right now. So if we break through that, we backtest it as support. Beautiful sign of strength for Tron. So what we can do here for Tron is we can take our fib here from our previous swing low up to our swing high, just to give you some levels of resistance if we do break through 11 cents. Now we may see some pullback here, but if we were to just continue pumping, here's your next levels of resistance. 11.117, guys. You have the 1.414 at 0.123, 12 cents, and you have the 1.618 here at well, I'll get out of the way at 13 cents, guys. So those will be your next levels, next take profit levels if you see the price continue to explode here. But if we do roll over, we may find support here on the previous swing high. I'll just drop it in because we've just had a very significant pump at about 0.105 for Tron. And then if we were to see a larger sell-off here, you can target this little swing high, which is also where are my price targets here? What happened to everything? Okay, here we go. Sorry, guys. You can target the 0.786 at 10 cents. And then I'll also drop in this level of support here, back down at about 0.09. All right, guys, if we were to see some harsh sell-off, if we quickly look at Bitcoin here, you can see with Bitcoin, we have broken out of an ascending triangle, a bullish pattern here, and we're currently coming back to back test the neckline. And if we can't hold the support of the EMAs and we just see another fake out where we fall right back down into the pattern here, of course that will bring Tron back down to these levels of support. But if Bitcoin can hold the level of support, we have seen a lot of fake outs lately. It is the weekend. If we hold the support of this neckline, if we hold the EMAs on the hourly here, then we could see that continuation. All right, guys. So quick little update for Tron. What we'll do here for Tron is we'll put it on the daily, and we'll give some future price targets based off the Fibonacci from our all-time high down to the swing low. I know you guys like that. Something to look forward to here. All right, guys. So you can see we're also currently testing the golden ratio right at about 10 cents, 0.107. And then you have the 0.786, which is up at that 13 cent price target. You have your all-time high for Tron. And then if we do see this bull run continue here, you have your future price targets, the 1.272 here. Let me just drop it in at 26 cents for Tron. Wow, guys, I'm a big believer in Tron and the Tron ecosystem. There's a lot of Tron haters, but I love Tron, BTT gang. Shout out to you guys. And I love Wink as well. All right, guys. And then we have the 1.618. which is up at 41 cents for Tron. And from the current price, that's an appreciation of about 277%. All right, guys. So closely watch Bitcoin here. You want to see us stay above this trend line and hold the EMAs to see continuation. And then Tron can head up to those price targets. I'll jump it back over into the 1 hour time frame. Just make it a little bit more visible. Hope you're well, guys. Hope the pets are healthy. Hope you're enjoying this juicy breakout. Okay, where did I have my little price targets here for Tron? Okay, so your next price targets are 0.11086. If we break above this level of resistance, a major level of resistance at 0.1186, we backtest it as support. That will give you strong confirmation. You're going to head up to 0.117 and 0.123. And then your levels of support, if we see a rollover here, do keep an eye on the previous swing high that we've just broken at 10 cents. And then you have, sorry guys, at 0.105, and then you have 0.100 and all the way down at 0.096. But if we see the recovery for Bitcoin, you can head up to those future price targets. That's it for Tron. Sign up to the Discord to stay ahead of the game on these plays. All right, guys, sign up to Bybit. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.